New York for real.
It's going down for real. And now.
We're at the Stardust Diner in New York, and I've never been, and I've always wanted to go because it was on Glee, and people sing to you and get on your table, and that's pretty awesome.
What you don't see is the way she's standing right now, which is pan down to me though.
I'm pigeon-toed.
So it's like she's talking to you like this.
No, actually I am like this.
Man.
This is actually how I stand.
Hey guys, so I'm at Stardust, I believe. That's okay.
I hate you.
We all love you.
Someone's about to perform. Oh yeah. There's George walking.
Serving people and singing at the same time.
And if I make it there, I'll make it anywhere. Yes, it's up to you, New York, New York. Let's hear it for our wonderful guest star today.
Joshua Evans. Bunny hat and a panda. Look at all the choices. What one should I get? Tim, you're so tall, it's hard for me.
There I go.
There. We just got done shopping at Forever 21.
Yeah, it's got some good stuff.
Yeah,
I keep say goodies.
Yeah, we did. Tim's so tall, he has to squat down so that I can actually put him in my vlog, or I can't reach him. I should stand on my toes like that. Ah. We're heading back to the hotel now. We're gonna meet up with Josh and Matt, and I don't know, go do some more fun things in New York City. We just finished our meal, our last meal in NYC at Landmark, and look, this is dessert. You guys, I had cotton candy like a week ago. This is awesome, and it's great flavor. Matt, what do you think about the cotton candy?
I haven't tried it yet. It's so good.
What song comes to your mind when you think about cotton candy?
Cotton candy?
We represent the Lollipop Kids.
The Lollipop Kids. Put that in my head.
We represent
the Lollipop Kids. The Lollipop Kids. Take a bite, man.
Boys.
Right off the stick. Put it in your mouth. Lick it.
Do it. Oh, yeah.
It's like, oh, I know what that's all about.
Okay, I'm turning
You
off.
look like you're eating a troll doll.
But the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
That's you.
I really hope you get it, and you don't live to regret it. He doesn't love you, I can tell by his charm.
We in a club for real. Today we are sadly heading back to LA. I'm actually not that sad. I'm excited to get back. I had a lot of fun in New York, but there's a lot to do back at home, and I miss my dogs. And I miss this guy being around because while he was here, he was working the whole time. And I was too, but it was just really busy. So, outfit from Target, and we're packing up, driving to the airport, and heading home. where's Blackjack? We are back in LA!
We are! You can tell by that zebra print.
Yes, zebra, which won't be here for long because we're getting our room redone. But we have Popin Cookin. Someone gave us this.
Ooh.
So we're gonna try it out today.
I don't know how we're gonna do this. Can you see this? These are the directions.
Are there instructions?
It says hamburger sheet. That's all I got.
All right, so I think that we're just gonna try to add water and then microwave it because that's what I've seen other people do. This is really confusing, you guys.
Okay, so we have to get, oh God. What is this?
Okay, I'm gonna just guess. Look, it's very simple. The big one, one goes in here, one goes in here. And you have to add water. I think you just put it in the thing and add water. I'm gonna do that, like that. Ooh, I just mixed. Oh shoot. I'm just gonna try these two and see what happens.
How long are you gonna microwave them for?
A minute, that's pretty standard. This is such a bad idea.
All right, let's just pull it out. It's starting to smell pretty bad, and I can hear it sizzling. Pull it out.
Okay.
Oh boy, this is a disaster.
Okay, well, it spilt over. I think
This was supposed to be French fries. Let's apply cheese.
we suck.
All right, guys, we have finished the challenge. Fail.
Please let me know in the comment section below how we're supposed to do this because I have a few more packets and I want to finish it, but I don't want to do it without knowing how to do it the right way. So please let me know. Before I close this vlog, I want to announce the winners for vlog 5 and vlog 6. So vlog 5, you win this lunch pail, and the winner is, ta-da! And for vlog 6, which was Beatrice's vlog, you won these cool socks that I just got from New York. And the winner for vlog 6 is, ta-da! So congratulations, you guys. The winners of today's vlog will receive either this hat, which I bought in New York, or I also bought a pink one, and you will get to pick. So if you found Elf on the Shelf in this episode, put it in the comment section below. Love you, ZamFam. Bye.